Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the IBM company. IBM is hiring for the fresher candidates. Job your job position will be network support engineer. Let me discuss what will be your roles and responsibilities. As you all know that IBM is a multinational company, and no doubt about the salary package. They will provide you the good compensation, good salary package they will provide you. So your roles and responsibilities: as a service desk analyst, provide technical support and advice to IT users, help resolve customer technical problems via email, phone and web platform. If you thrive in a dynamic collaborative workplace, IBM provides an environment where you will be challenged and inspired by every single day. And if you relish the freedom to bring creative, thoughtful solutions to the table, there is no limit to what you can accomplish here. So main responsibilities are: respond to general inquiries, offer quick, then courteous, sustained client service, ensuring that the client is kept informed, updated and promptly responded to, then answer inbound calls, attempt first call resolution, then perform basic troubleshooting, route calls to appropriate department or next level teams, then manages day-to-day incident and service request, then provide ticket status to customers as needed, then perform outbound call campaigns, then responsible to manage the service desk email box and assign emails to appropriate department, then handle other administrative tasks as requested by the line manager. So basically the responsibilities are included, like you need to work as a service desk analyst, that is network support engineer, your position will be, and you need to give the resolution whatever the employees in the IBM company or the client, you need to provide the resolution, first level resolution. If the if any user raise any ticket or any incident, then you need to provide the solution on that. If not possible, if you need some help, then you can route that incident or ticket to next level department, and you need to provide the status as well. So what is the status on this incident, what is the status on this ticket? If anybody asks you, then you need to give the status to the respective colleague. Okay, required technical and professional experience: 0 to 1 year of previous experience. If you are a fresher, still also you can apply, because they will provide you the training in the initial phase. Okay, the training might be 1 month, 2 months, as per their requirement. So if you are applying as a fresher, don't worry, they will provide you training. They will explain each and everything in the training, and after your training completion, there will be on job training. Then up to 1 year of experience in customer support or administration function preferred. Strong computer skills and good levels of competence, various business application desirable. Preferred technical and professional expertise: excellent English language skills are must, because you need to deal with the client as well as users, that means customers. Strong customer focus, ability to work accurately and meet deadlines, attention to detail and accuracy while being able to maintain higher workload, then professional and articulate, then effective communicator and able to liaise with confidence with both internal and external parties, flexible and reliable. So all these things are mentioned in the job description. I hope you got my point, whatever I have explained in this video. So dear candidates, please don't miss this chance. This is a good opportunity that you will get to learn more about IBM. There are many more things to learn, so please apply for this drive, and thanks for watching this video.